Today we're going to find the code for a hand x-ray in the CPT book. The first thing you do is go to the back of the book and go to X for x-ray. And underneath that you want to read down the page until you find the word hand. And then read across, you see it codes to 73120 to 73130. And then go back to the radiology section of the book and find code 73120, which is for a hand x-ray, that's 2 views, and 73130, that's for a hand x-ray that has a minimum of 3 views. The one that you code just depends on what your documentation says. Okay, so if it's 2 views, you would code 73120, and if it's 3 or more views, you would code 73130. Also, you would add an RT modifier if it's for the right hand, or an LT modifier if it's for the left hand. The book tabs can be found in my TikTok shop.